How do I replace a broken side mirror on my car? Replacing a broken side mirror on your car is a straightforward process that you can do yourself with the right tools and instructions. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you replace a broken side mirror. Materials needed: replacement side mirror, screwdriver, trim removal tools optional, socket wrench if necessary, panel clips if needed, adhesive or mirror tape if required, safety gloves and goggles. Steps: purchase the replacement mirror. Obtain a replacement side mirror that is compatible with your car's make and model. You can purchase one from an auto parts store, online retailer, or directly from the manufacturer. Safety precautions: park your car in a safe, well-lit area. Wear safety gloves and goggles to protect yourself from any sharp edges or broken glass. Disconnect the electrical wiring if applicable. If your side mirror is equipped with electrical functions such as power adjustment or heating, you'll need to disconnect the wiring harness. This may involve removing the interior door panel to access the connectors. Remove the old mirror. Locate the screws or bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. These are typically located behind the mirror cover or trim piece. Carefully remove any covers, trim pieces, or panels that are concealing the mounting hardware. You may need a screwdriver or trim removal tools for this step. Use a screwdriver or socket wrench to remove the screws or bolts that hold the mirror in place. Keep these screws for attaching the new mirror. Detach the broken mirror. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the broken mirror assembly away from the door frame. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Prepare the new mirror. If the replacement mirror doesn't come pre-assembled, transfer any necessary parts from the old mirror to the new one, such as the mirror glass or cover. Attach the new mirror. Position the new mirror onto the mounting points on the door frame. Insert the screws or bolts and tighten them securely. Ensure that the mirror is properly aligned and sits flush against the door. Reconnect electrical wiring if applicable. If your new mirror has electrical functions, reconnect the wiring harness and secure any clips or connectors. Replace trim and panels. Carefully reattach any trim pieces, covers, or panels that were removed earlier. Make sure they are properly aligned and securely snapped or screwed in place. Test the new mirror. Test the new mirror to ensure that it functions correctly, including any power adjustments or heating features. Clean up. Clean any fingerprints or smudges from the mirror glass using a gentle glass cleaner. Replacing a broken side mirror may vary slightly depending on your car's specific model and design. If you're uncertain about any step or encounter challenges, consider consulting your car's repair manual or seeking guidance from a professional mechanic.